Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about cucumbers. By using cucumbers, what are the benefits of cucumbers to your skin, how it helps to improvise your skin texture, how it helps to get that glow onto your skin, and how will you incorporate this cucumber in your daily skincare routine. So we have to discuss about the key ingredient in today's video, that is cucumber. What are the benefits of cucumber? It tells that it reduces swellingness and puffiness, aids acne-prone skin, helps in combating premature aging, soothes irritation, and provides hydration to your skin. So in today's video, I am going to show you three main steps. That is a cleanser and a toner and a face mask. So to know more about this, let's dive right into the video. So the first step is cleansing. So for cleanser, I've taken cucumbers, around 4-5 slices of cucumbers, and mashed it well. So I'll get like this. This is very good for your skin. So for this, I'm going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. That is, I'm using the Dabur honey. You can use any honey according to your preferences. Around 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, I'm adding it, and then I'm going to use this mixture as cleanser. So mix it well like that on your hand, like that, and then cleanse your face by using this. What are the benefits of this? If you ask, these benefits helps in improvising your skin texture, soothing your skin, adds that moisture to your skin, hydrates your skin, looks after your pigmentation, your acne spots, and gives that glow to your skin. So yeah, do it well like that. This helps in moisturizing your skin, provides the glow to your skin, and removes your dark circles, your dark spots on a consistent use. So I'm applying it all over my face. This is called as cleanser. Since it is natural, the chemicals are not involved in this, and it provides that hydration also to your skin. So do it like that for 3 to 4 minutes. So the second step is face mask. For face mask, I'm taking this cucumber. This I've prepared by adding few slices of cucumber inside the grinder. And then after grinding it well, I've got this extract. This is the cucumber extract. To this, I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of curd, 2 tablespoons, and then I'm going to add around 1 tablespoon of yolk. Yolk in the sense the white, the egg white, not the yellow color. So I'm going to add yolk. So like that, little bit, okay? So mix it well to get a fine paste. This will be very good for your skin. It moisturizes your skin, and yolk will remove the whiteheads and blackheads on your skin. Then curd, since it has lactic acid, it provides nourishment to your skin and also removes the dead skin cells. And cucumber, you all know what are the benefits of cucumber. I mentioned in the first itself. So yeah, I'm going to mix it well like that. So I'm going to take a face brush and then applying it all over my face evenly. This is very perfect mask for summer seasons. It cools, it moisturizes, it hydrates, it soothes, it gives that plumpy effect and all sort of things. So I'm applying all over my face evenly. So I've applied this mask evenly all over my face. This mask, tends to trip all over. So make sure, even though it's going to be messy, but results will be really effective. So I'm going to leave this mask for around 15 minutes and then I'll be washing it. I want to mention one more thing. You can apply this mask even on your underarms. Or scrub it. Take this mask, scrub your underarms. This will prevent from that dirty odor or that bad odor, and makes your underarms feel fresh and hydrated. So you can apply it even on your underarms or where the places where you tend to feel more sweaty. and this is a perfect mask for your summer season. This mask, when you're totally like stressed or tired or something, this is the go-to mask that you want to opt for, and you should opt for, because it gives that cooling sensation. Sit under a fan or an AC, you will feel really great and stressed out. So yeah, I've applied this mask. I'll leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it off. So the next step after face mask is toning. Toning your face is very essential. So for toner, I have prepared the toner here. This I've taken rose petals and I have mashed it well, and I got the pure extract of the rose juice. I can tell it as a juice or that liquidy substance. Then I've added the cucumber juice. I've taken around 2 tablespoons of rose water. You can also take rose water or you can take the rose juice. And then I've added around 4 tablespoons of cucumber juice. I've mixed it well and have got this one. I'm not able to show because it'll trip everywhere. So this is the mixture that I've got. I'm going to transfer this mixture into this bottle. So once you're done transferring the essence to your bottle, you can use it as a face mist. You can use it as in your travel kit. You can take it to your schools, colleges, your office, your workplace, anywhere. And then you also can refrigerate this, and then once it cools down, you can use it all over your face. It really feels very good and very relaxing and soothing also. So you can prepare these type of toners before investing into the actual toner, but the results will be nearby almost same. So yeah, I'm going to spritz it all over my face. And now I'm going to pat it dry. Guys, this is a really good toner. I can feel it, very relaxed, very soft and very supple also my skin. So yeah, you can see that results after using these 3 steps. You can see that glow in my skin. You can see that glow here, that glow in my skin. So yeah, this was the step for toning. So after toner is moisturizer. For moisturizing, I'm using the soft Nivea Light Moisturizing Cream, and this is also very nice cream, very soft and very light onto your skin. So after all these, I'm going to moisturize my face. This is how to incorporate cucumber in your daily skincare regime. This will definitely bring changes in your skin when you start using consistently, either weekly once or weekly twice or daily, because it does not produce any harmness to your skin or any harsh chemicals has been added. No, there's nothing. It's totally and purely natural ingredients, that is one and only cucumber. So these were the few benefits of cucumber, about how you can use it in your skincare. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell on. Until see you all in the next video. Bye.